DVD video.
Against the mob has been as crucial as Buddy. Aces is real. $1 million hit fee would draw some huge flies.
You're gonna pour boxes of bullets in Israel. What are you trying to say? Smoking aces.
I'm asking you to be a good citizen. The Good Shepherd is the godfather of CIA movies. David Anson of Newsweek calls it mesmerizing and spellbinding. And Larry King raves it's the best spy movie ever made. Matt Damon is phenomenal. Angelina Jolie is remarkable. And Robert De Niro is as good a director as he is an actor. The CIA.
The nasty little secrets.
The Good Shepherd.
Everything you know about DVD just got a whole lot better. Welcome to HD DVD. Spectacular high-definition picture, lossless sound, and an entirely new level of interactivity than you've ever experienced before. Using Microsoft's HDI technology, HD DVD also allows new in-movie experiences that let you see how the filmmakers created their vision while you watch the movie. Check out the tech specs on the plane. Use the GPS button to track its location. Read cast bios. And now future-proof your video collections with new combo discs available for select movie titles, which include both a DVD and a high-definition version of the movie. Any HD DVD disc will play on your HD DVD player, Xbox 360 HD DVD player, or any Toshiba or HP notebook PCs with built-in HD DVD drives. HD DVD. The look and sound of perfect.
NBC Mondays.
I think I can fly. It's my turn to be somebody now, Nathan! This? I painted it 3 weeks ago.
How hot do you think it is in there?
Man is entering a new gateway to evolution.
Do anything special today?
Heroes. Mondays on NBC.
Excuse me.
Super cop. With the cop. The can't be stopped.
Cut through here. Oh, through the gardens.
What's the matter, Danny? You never taken a shortcut before?
Coming soon.
You kidding me? What? Pull over. What are you doing? Kid's older brother owes money and Johnny's holding it until he gets paid.
So you're like ransom or something. That's hot.
Kid goes home. Everybody's looking at life.
Give me a sign.
We gotta kill the kid. That's a joke, right?
How far do you go
There's a missing person poster on every street corner.
when there's no turning back?
I would never rat you guys out. Yeah, we know that, man.
Alpha dog.
Anybody see you pick this guy up?
It was pouring rain, and he needed a lift.
Hi, I'm John Ryder.
From the producers of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Strangers think I'm trustworthy, aren't you?
No.
He's gonna kill more people.
I want you to say 4 little words. I want to die.
The future.
Yeah. by the Classification and Administration, www.filmrace.com.
Day 1000 of the Siege of Seattle.
The Muslim community demands an end to the army's occupation of mosques.
The Homeland Security Bill is ratified after 80